everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm very thrilled to be invited again to be a guest designer for Scrap Diva Designs for the November Christmas theme release. This video is the unboxing of the package. Thank you, Erica, for sending me these dies. I am looking forward to creating some fun Christmas projects to share with all of you. You could find these dies at scrapdivadesigns.com starting November 1st, 2023. You could use discount code Prisgemic10 for 10% off. All the details in the description box below. Let's dive right into this. First off, we have Christmas words number 2, and we have here hot cocoa, sleigh bells, chestnuts, traditional, chimney, and holly. These are really nice for embellishing your projects. These sentiments are really great to also, you could back it up with foam to make it more dimensional, and it's shadow words, so you also have a background for the words. Next up is Christmas words number 3, and let's see what we have here. We have let's see, peppermint, December, I believe this is cards, and what is this, claws, and candy, Santa, and candles. Here we have a elf bow in the small size, and this is really nice. I love working with small embellishments, and this is the perfect size. And we have the decoration here, and I believe it goes in the middle here. And these little corner pieces will be going onto the corner of this bow, which is at the bottom of this bow. And it's really going to be really cute. Here we have a A2 card front shadow frame, and this is so amazing. It'll be really perfect for winter themed landscape, or some kind of like it's sort of a 3D project where you can make it a shake or two and decorate the front of your A2 card. So I'm looking forward to making something out of this. I'm so excited with this one. This one is Mr. Nutcracker Cake, and I love desserts, and I'm just so excited, and it looks very neat with all these different decorations, and I'm probably gonna make it pastel theme, but it's just a lot of details, and I really love this. I love any kind of desserts, so, and it's shaped like a nutcracker, so I thought that was really cool. And here we have a nutcracker. Oh, I'm so excited with this one too. It's just so amazing, and it has these borders on it too, and it's going to be super cute. Next we have a gingerbread garland. This gingerbread garland is so cute. It has a lot of decorations as well, and it includes this piece where you can thread ribbons on it through with the arms here. For the next gingerbread, it connects, so this is really very, very cute and adorable. It includes different eye expressions, face expressions here This one is like winking at you, and this one's smiling. It's just so cute. Finally, I see that we have a 3D mini claw machine. This is just so awesome. It also includes some coins for your claw machine and the claw itself, and it's 3D. You could put lots of prizes inside. It could be something like little stuffed mini toys. It could be you could put those little eggs, plastic eggs with the little surprise inside it. It's just really many different ways to decorate and put different things inside. You could put candy, anything you could think of that could fit into this box, and it's just gonna be so cute. I hope you liked this unboxing video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.